latest leaked image doing the rounds today, the Galaxy S10? Noted leaker IceUniverse hedged the bet by using the Galaxy S10 codename of Beyond, but not explicitly saying this was the S10. And when Samsung's flagship smartphone is launched early in 2019, I very much doubt that the S10 you pick up will be a close match to this image. But it would not surprise me if this image is a snapshot of the Galaxy S10 design process. As part of the design process of any smartphone, many iterations of design will be undertaken. With today's tools for 3D printing and rapid fabrication, it is possible to create physical models of a new design in a matter of hours. Every manufacturer, including Samsung, is going to work through the various tweaks and options to a handset long before the final production is locked in. Some of these changes will be incredibly close to the previous model, some will be changed by tenths of a millimeter to see how they feel in the hand, some will see components in different locations, such as camera lens or power button location, and some will be more radical interpretations of the design language. I suspect the latter is what is on show here. If you follow through Samsung's design trends, you will get to the point of a smartphone that is almost all display on the front fascia, with the fingerprint and forward-facing sensors mounted directly onto the display, with minimal bezels top and bottom reflecting the South Korean signature, and the curved edges providing the visual identification factor. It is widely accepted that Samsung is working on an under-screen fingerprint sensor, and the S10 is expected to have this technology. There is also the potential for the S10 to use bone-conducting technology to replace the earpiece, removing one forward-facing element at the top of the screen. Tacking the other forward-facing sensors such as the selfie camera and flash could be achieved using micro-LED and micro-optics, but that requires more R&D time to be achievable for a widely adopted consumer smartphone. What would a Galaxy S handset look like with these elements in place? I'm sure the R&D team in South Korea would find it useful to have a physical representation of what is beyond the upcoming flagship. Which brings us back to IceUniverse's design Beyond. Is this image the Galaxy S10? No. Is it a Galaxy S10 prototype? Possibly. Is it an expression of Samsung's ultimate design goal? Could be.